in love with the natural wealth of Indonesia, especially in Karimun Jawa. Today, I get a chance to cross this island. I want to find the natural beauty from under the sea. Look deep into nature and learn everything I never know. Running away from the noisy urban crowd, laughing together with local people, and sitting quietly, enjoying the silence of nature. Taking this opportunity is a fortune for me. Knowing a lot of things, go further, and the more I see, the more I know I never seen.
If you trip, get up again. Here we go, we're ascending.
From under the sea, the beautiful coral greet me. So beautiful and amazing. Heaven is truly here, under our feet and above our heads.
I can take on the world when you're next to me. I feel so alive.
I realize the nature gives us everything, and they don't ask anything. I believe all the beautiful things in here are the proof of our handiwork. Become a keeper of the life balance and become a human who is not greedy.
Live in the moment. Life is the fullest when you keep chasing.
Karimun Jawa give me the perfect impression. With the natural beauty of the nature, the friendliness local people, and yeah, I feel so alive. And every serenity behind the beautiful branches of a tree.
I can take on the world when you're next to me. I feel so alive. I feel so alive.
My first step filled the soft white sand on the shoreline. My sense of smell feels shooting sense of the beach. My dreams is like coming true. Thank you, Karimun Jawa. This experience will be the story in my memory.